For years, GoPro built its name on one simple idea: a small, tough camera you could take anywhere. Helmets, bikes, surfboards, drones. It did the job. It did it well. But the GoPro Mission 1 Pro? That's a different story. When GoPro introduced the Mission 1 Pro, the camera world took notice. So what exactly makes this camera different? Let's break it down. The biggest change is right at the heart of the camera. GoPro put a 1-inch, 50-megapixel sensor inside the Mission 1 Pro. More sensor area means more light captured. That means better low-light performance, better dynamic range, and images that just look more natural and true to life. GoPro paired it with a brand new processor called the GP3, which handles all that extra data without slowing things down. Here's where things get serious. The Mission 1 Pro records 8K video at 60 frames per second. Not 8K at 30, not 6K. Full 8K at 60 frames per second from a camera that fits in a jacket pocket. But the specs don't stop there. It also shoots 4K slow motion at 240 frames per second and 1080p burst recording at 960 frames per second. For anyone who shoots sports, action, or fast-moving content, those numbers are genuinely impressive. Then there's open gate recording. Up to 8K at 30 frames per second, the camera captures the full width of the sensor. No cropping, no compromises. For creators who publish across multiple platforms, that's a gift. One piece of footage can be cropped for YouTube, resized for TikTok, and reformatted for Instagram Reels, all without losing quality. And when you're starting from 8K, there's a lot of room to work with. The Mission 1 Pro also supports 10-bit color recording, HLG HDR, and professional color profiles built for post-production workflows. These are features that, not long ago, were only found on cinema cameras, costing many times more. For editors and filmmakers who rely on color grading, that kind of flexibility matters a great deal. It means footage that's captured with the Mission 1 Pro can be pushed further in editing, brighter highlights, deeper shadows, richer skin tones, without the image falling apart. It's not just a video camera, either. The Mission 1 Pro captures 50-megapixel RAW photos. Early testing showed strong detail, solid dynamic range, and highlight retention that surprised a lot of people who weren't expecting much from an action camera on the photography side. For travel creators and documentarians who need both photo and video in a single compact setup, that combination is genuinely useful. Despite everything new, the Mission 1 Pro kept what made GoPro cameras trusted in the first place. It's waterproof down to 66 feet. It handles heat, sand, and long recording sessions without major issues. And it stays small enough to mount almost anywhere. The lens is ultra-wide and fixed focus. There's no optical zoom, no interchangeable lenses, and no bokeh-heavy portrait mode. Those are trade-offs, and intentional ones. Because with fixed focus, almost everything beyond 2 feet stays sharp. No hunting, no missed moments, no delays while the camera tries to decide what to focus on. For action, travel, and fast-paced content creation, that reliability is often more valuable than a fancy autofocus system. GoPro also introduced a point-and-shoot grip for the Mission 1 Pro, and it's worth mentioning. One quiet criticism of action cameras over the years has been that they can feel awkward to hold for extended handheld shooting. The grip solves that. With it attached, the Mission 1 Pro starts to feel more like a compact camera, comfortable in hand, easy to use for longer stretches, and still portable enough to drop in a bag without thinking about it. For vloggers and travel creators especially, that kind of comfort adds up over a long day of shooting. Battery life has historically been a sticking point for GoPro cameras. The Mission 1 Pro appears to address that, with early testing showing several hours of recording thanks to the more efficient GP3 processor and improved thermal management. That's something creators have been asking GoPro to fix for years. It seems the message got through. The Mission 1 Pro won't replace a professional mirrorless camera. It won't replace a cinema rig. There's no background blur, no telephoto reach, and no interchangeable lenses. But GoPro doesn't seem to be trying to replace those things. What they appear to be doing is building a camera that can handle far more situations than any previous GoPro ever could, without giving up the size, the toughness, or the simplicity that made the brand famous in the first place. For a wide range of creators, travelers, vloggers, sports filmmakers, documentary shooters, and everyday adventurers, the Mission 1 Pro might be the first GoPro that actually fits into a serious production workflow. That's not a small thing.